Welcome or welcome back, whichever applies to you. Last time I did baby iron crosses on the rings, and I'm back on December 13th for my 31st day. And today I'll be doing handstands and shoulder stands. And the last time I did this, I had 253.3 seconds of time in the air with 2 touchdowns. So let's clear the scoreboard from yesterday and see what happens. Okay, first attempt of the day. Here we go. And up we go. That shoulder press was a little off kilter, as was that one. It looks like my right side isn't doing too great today. The camera framing is also not real great either. Back up we go. A little bit of push, not much. And that's it for that one. So if we go to the scoreboard, that's 44.5 seconds of time in the air and 0 touchdowns. Okay, second attempt of the day. Relatively hard impact. Trying to get a little balance somewhere other than at the absolute bottom. Not bad. Touchdown there. I'm going to try to go back up. Leading with my left foot off the bar. Looks a little goofy. We're trying to get there. And that's it for that one. So if we go to the scoreboard, that's an additional 48.1 seconds of time in the air with 1 touchdown. Okay, third attempt of the day. Let's do it. Starting with an L sit. Not too terrible looking. Knees are a little bent. Trying to get a little balance. A little bit of push. Gonna try to see if putting the rings on my shoulders makes balancing any easier. It honestly doesn't seem to. If anything, it seems more difficult. And that's it for that one. So if we go to the scoreboard, we can add 34.6 seconds and no touchdowns. All right, fourth attempt of the day. Relatively gentle impact. A little bit of balance. Gonna go back up. Yes, we are. That was pretty hard impact. Again, trying to put the rings up against my shoulders and see if I can get my feet off the bar any easier. And that's it for that one. So if we go to the scoreboard, that's 40.3 seconds with no touchdowns. Okay, fifth and final attempt of the day. Here we go. L sit's looking a little sloppy at this point. That was a very hard impact. Kind of an odd push upwards too. Going for a little bit of balance, but not much. And that's it for that one. So if we go to the scoreboard, that's 24 seconds and 0 touchdowns. So as a grand total for the day, we were in the air for 191.5 seconds and had 1 touchdown. Okay, some takeaways and then I'm going to get out of here. I'm trying to be optimistic, but honestly, this wasn't a super great day. And I can't say I specifically remember, but I think I know what happened. I believe I was sick the next several days, and this was the first day that I felt kind of worn down. So I did have some moments of balance, but the time was way down from the past several times that we've done this. So we'll get some rest and come back another day to practice more. But that's it for the day. Feel free to check back in or not. Up to you.